Hey everyone, Dane Lawless here. In this video I'm going to show you how to properly set up your Pearl ePro Live powered by Export acoustic electronic drum set. We're going to go from this to this. So let's get started. The drums are packaged in one box marked A, another marked B, a hardware box, a box containing the TrueTrack conversion kit, a box with the red box module, and boxes for the cymbal pack and TrueTrack hi-hat. Let's start with box B. Inside we have the 10-inch tom, the 12-inch tom, the 14-inch snare, a drum key, and the tom arms and floor tom legs and bass drum tension rods, which we'll use later. From the TrueTrack pack we'll need the 10-inch, 12-inch and 14-inch TrueTrack heads. Let's convert the snare drum first. Inside the 14-inch TrueTrack box we have the TrueTrack head, a no-drill adapter and short cable, some 52mm and 63mm tension rods, a spare cable to connect to the module, and some Velcro tape for keeping the cables tidy. Just like changing a regular drum head, we remove all the tension rods, then the hoop and the drum head. To attach the non-drill jack box, remove the knurled nut and washer, place through the air vent and replace the washer and nut and fasten. Connect the short cable to the plug and the L-shaped end to the TrueTrack pad. Place the head on the drum shell. For aesthetics, I like to line up the logo of the head with the badge of the drum. Then add the hoop and replace the original tension rods with the longer rods and tighten. Now we repeat the process for the mounted toms. Inside box A, we have the bass drum head, bass drum hoops and heads, and the floor tom. From the TrueTrack box, we need the TrueTrack bass drum pad, the 16-inch pad, and the bass drum foam. The floor tom conversion process is identical to the snare and mounted toms. Inside the box for the TrueTrack bass drum pad we have the cable, Velcro tape, bass drum pad, hole position template, paper ruler, Allen key, hole punch, the non-drill jack box and the short cable. We'll also need a marker and a blade to mount the pad to the head. Using the ruler we mark out the position for the hole template. Then we peel off the backing and secure the whole template to the drum head. Using a blade, we cut out the part of the drum head inside the template. By placing the head over the TrueTrack pad, we can mark the screw holes that line up and use the hole punch on those parts of the template. Using the Allen key, we remove the screws on the bass drum pad, remove the black steel hoop and the backing from the adhesive. We then place the drum head over the pad and place the black steel hoop using the guideposts to line up with the corresponding holes. Next we insert the screws and tighten. Now we'll add the front logo head to the bass drum. Be sure to use the front hoop as the batter hoop has a protector for attaching the pedal. Wood hoops have a join and it's a nice idea to place the join at a less visible part of the drum, such as near a lug at the top of the drum. Then we attach the bass drum tension rods and tighten evenly to the desired tuning. Turn the drum over and place the bass drum foam inside the bottom of the bass drum shell. Then we attach the non-drill jack box as per the other drums, connect the cable to the bass drum pad and place the head on the drum. Now we put the hoop on with the protector at the bottom, attach the rods and tighten to the desired tension. Position the bass drum upright and set the spurs as shown, with the front of the drum about an inch off the floor. Set up the cymbal stands as shown. Remove the wing nut, 2 felts and a washer and attach the cymbal mount. Secure the cymbal pad with one of the felts and the wing nut and position to your desired height and angle. The Velcro tape can be used to keep the cables tidy. Remove the no-spin adapter and felt washer from the hi-hat clutch. Using the felt washer will hinder the performance. Turn the top hi-hat cymbal upside down and place the no-spin adapter with the prong inside the receiver. Screw the hi-hat clutch into the no-spin adapter until fully tightened and tighten both upper lock nuts. Remove the felt from the hi-hat stand and place the FSR sensor onto the hi-hat cup. Place the bottom hi-hat cymbal pad onto the FSR sensor. Make sure that the cable on the hi-hat cymbal is coming through the hole and plug that cable into the mini jack of the sensor. Place the spring on the bottom hi-hat cymbal with the plastic part facing upwards. Pass the cable for the hi-hat from the module through the hole and plug it into the jack on the top cymbal. Plug in the cable for the hi-hat controller into the jack. And now it's time to set up the drum kit. The Redbox mount is attached to the bottom of the module using the supplied screws. Here I've mounted the Redbox to the hi-hat stand using the supplied multi-clamp. Plug in the AC power adapter and the corresponding jacks of the cable snake to each input of the module. Go to www.redboxsoundshop.com. Click on the Customer Support tab and download the Pearl Updater application for either Mac or PC. Next, click on the Redbox V2 firmware tab and download the EHH2 TrueTrack hi-hat cymbals update file. This zip file contains the EHH2 update and instructions on how to update your Redbox module. Make sure that your Redbox module is turned off and connected via the USB port to your computer with a standard USB cable. Press and hold the module's record button and turn it on. The display panel should look like this. Open the Redbox Updater application on your computer. Drag and drop the EHH2 hi-hat update file into the Redbox Updater application, and the update will automatically start loading. The update should only take about 10 seconds. When the file is complete, please restart your Redbox module and enter the trigger settings as described in the PDF document. Hope this video was helpful and have lots of fun playing your Pearl ePro drum set.